parabolas. This word here is pronounced directrix. So we're going to have a look at the rules for parabolas today. And a parabola is the locus of a point that moves so its distance from a fixed point, which is called the focus, is equal to its perpendicular distance from a fixed line, which is the directrix. The standard form for a parabola is y equals ax squared. And that's one where the vertex is on the origin on xy. No, not xy, 0, 0. We can also rotate it by 90 degrees though. And this kind of parabola has the form x equals a y squared. So let's have a think about what we're being asked here. The point F, this is F for focus, is at 0, 1 here on the y-axis. My line y equals -1 is here. We're finding the set of points that are equidistant from the focus and the directrix. So we know that FP, where P is the point on the line, xy, is equal to RP. R can take any x value at all, the y value is always -1. So if we put those into the distance formula, FP is the square root of x squared plus y minus 1 squared, and PR is just y minus -1 all squared and then square root. We can square both sides. That's why I wrote this slightly convoluted squared and square root part. I can square both sides here and expand the brackets, and then I can simplify. So I've subtracted 1 and subtracted y squared from both sides there. Then I can add the 2y to both sides. This I can divide both sides by 4, so y equals x squared over 4, which I know is the equation of a parabola. Pause the video now while you have a go at questions 1 to 3. And here are your answers. Note that we can have translations of parabolas too. Okay, so here I'm given the focus and the directrix, and I need to find the equation of the parabola. We'll ignore the second part for now. So my focus is somewhere on the y-axis, I don't know where, I'm going to call the y-coordinate c. My directrix is at -c, y equals -c. So I know that FP equals RP, and I can substitute the coordinates into the distance formula. I can square both sides, expand the brackets, and then simplify. Now, for the second part, sorry, let me go back to this for a moment. So here I've shown that x squared equals some multiple of y, where my c is just whatever these values here are for the focus and the directrix line. So I have shown that this is a parabola. Now, if I rearrange my equation y equals 2x squared, divide both sides by 2, I can say that y over 2 equals x squared. I also know that 4cy equals x squared, so I can set y over 2 equal to 4cy. I can then divide both sides by y and divide by 4 to get that c is equal to 1/8. So for the parabola with the equation y equals 2x squared, my focus is at 0, 1/8. So the parabola with focus at 0, c and a directrix at y equals -c will always have the equation 4cy equals x squared. So now you can do questions 4 to 7 and make sure you mark your work. Here are the answers. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.